Hello Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Aries. Pauna mensahe po ninyo ngayon ay Cain. We have the energy of the Cain. Pay attention to your health. Okay? Mag-ingat kayo sa ngayon, ano? Alagaan ninyo inyong sarili, at saka alagaan ninyo mula ulo hanggang paa, no? At kasi maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito siguro meron ng mga pananakit ng katawan or kung ano mang parte ng katawan ninyo pero ini-ignore ninyo. Okay? So maaaring gano'n ang ganap. I can see blood work din dito, Aries. Siguro meron kayong mga blood test na kailangan ng gawin at maaring hindi ninyo yan ginagawa. No? Hindi pa ninyo ginagawa ang request, no, ng doktor ninyo siguro. Possible din ng iba sa inyo dito ay sobra ng exhausted, no, physically, mentally, emotionally, siguro, pero para kayong energizer lang. No, hindi ba yung energizer go ng go lang, 'di ba? Kahit pagod na, siguro kayo, go na go pa rin kayo, trabaho pa rin kayo ng trabaho. So, wag naman ninyong abusuhin ang inyong katawan, no? Aries, always remember na dapat na ipa-prioritize ninyo ay ang inyong well-being, ang inyong kalusugan, so that ma-perform ninyo, 'di ba? Yung mga dapat ninyong gawin, yung trabaho ninyo, obligasyon, responsibilidad ninyo when you are on top of your health, okay? Kaya always, take care of yourself. We have love. Ayan, self-love. Okay? Aries, self-love. Yan ang dapat na gawin ninyo at this time kasi siguro matagal nang hindi ninyo yan napaparamdam sa sarili ninyo. Maybe nahihirapan na din ang inyong katawan. Your soul is calling for self-love. Young woman, yan, so you may be dealing with a younger woman at this time. This could be anyone, maaaring kapatid nyo to, anak ninyo, pamangkin ninyo, maaari din nakatrabaho ninyo to. So, kung sino man itong younger woman, this person could play a significant role sa buhay ninyo at this time. So what else? We have archway, beautiful, new opportunities, possibilities, and path opening up for you. Ayan. Kaya dapat, kayo, on top of your health kayo, no? Kaya alagaan ninyo ang inyong sarili ng mabuti, so that you will be ready, no? To embrace these new opportunities, possibilities, and new paths that are opening up for you. Kasi maraming oportunidad, no? Magagandang oportunidad na maaring kumatok sa buhay ninyo at this time at para maging healthy kayo, no? Alagaan ninyo ang inyong sarili so that wala kayong maging problema, no? Sa kung ano man ang bagay na to na maaring pagkakaabalahan ninyong bago. We have courage, a journey, either physical or mental. Ayan. So, meron kayong travel, no? Siguro, yung travel na to could be related dito sa siguro magpapagamot kayo, magpapa-check up, magpapa-massage, siguro magpapa-therapy or whatever it is, no, na related sa pangangalaga ng inyong katawan at ng inyong kalusugan. So, maaring yan ang travel ninyo. Possible din naman na hindi, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. This could be related sa trabaho, this could be pasyal, no? It could be anything. For others of you, baka mental travel, no? Mental journey ito. So, siguro marami kayong iniisip, marami kayong pinagdidiskartehan sa ngayon, kaya busy din ang isip ninyo. So, possible na ganon. We have wind chimes, napakaganda because you are feeling that peace and harmony, no? Sa buhay ninyo, which is really good. Maaring peace and harmony within yourself ito, no? Or pwede rin na peace and harmony ito between you and another person or between you and kapamilya, kaibigan, no? Person ninyo, maaaring ganon. We have stuff you will be taking care of in difficult times. So this is yung parang message ito sa inyo ng universe na huwag kang mag-alala. Okay? You will be taken care of, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa mga difficult situations sa buhay ninyo, sa difficult times, no? Challenging times na pagdadaanan ninyo. So, kapit lang, laban lang, hindi ba? Dolphin, wow, napakaganda. There is a financial gain coming your way. This is usually coming from something you did in the past. So, siguro, bunga ito ng inyong pagsisikap. 'Di ba? Maaaring sa ngayon lang ninyo marireceive ang return of investment ninyo, no? Yung ganon. So, maaaring literal din ito na investment ng inyong pera at maaaring ngayon yung ROI ninyo from that money na ininvest ninyo somewhere ay maaaring sa ngayon ninyo makukuha. Possible din na ganon. We have forest, muddled and unclear thinking. So, most likely, ang ganap ng iba sa inyo dito is mental travel, no? Naguguluhan siguro kayo, malabo ang sitwasyon na ito, kaya marami kayong iniisip, no? Maybe gano'n ang sitwasyon. So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap. We have crown, honor, and respect will come to you. So, this is really good kasi finally, no? Pinagtrabahuan ninyo ito eh. You work hard for this and you earned it, no? Yung honor and respect na to. Finally, no? Makukuha nyo din yan from the people around you. So, congrats to that. We have leg, stepping into a new experience. So, meron kayong bagong chapter dito sa buhay ninyo na you're going to embrace, you know. So, stepping into a new experience is coming your way. Maaring related yan dito sa younger woman. You know, you never know. At saka, kung ano man ito, baka ano to eh, bagong trabaho, bagong relationship, it could be anything. It could be anything, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. What else? We have older man, dealings, a relationship with an older man. So, maaring yung older man na to could be linked to this new experience, no? So, siguro, ano to, baka boyfriend din nyo si older man or baka nanliligaw sa inyo at baka bagong relationship, no? Or bagong stage ng relationship ito na papasukin ninyo. Baka mag-aasawa na kayo or magsasama na kayo, maaaring ganon. Or it could be business partnership with this older man, no? So, possibly link si older man dito sa new experience na ito. So, it may or may not resonate with everyone, no? Aries, general reading ito. Kaya, kunin nyo lang kung anong sumasakto sa inyong sitwasyon. Otherwise, leave it for someone else. So, we have angel number 0303, taking chances. Napakaganda nito. Kasi meron kayong tagumpay. Meron tagumpay na naghihintay sa inyo dito, no? Merong mga bagong kaalaman kayong matututunan. Merong mga bagong friendship. Maaari din, no? Na yung new experience nito is a new friendly relationship na maybe with this older man din or with this younger woman. So, possible din yan. Sabi dito, when chances present themselves, seize them and do something out of the ordinary. Ayan. Whether in your professional or personal life, you will find success by welcoming creative impulses and having faith in your abilities. Trust in chance and take risk on opportunities that could change your life for the better. Ayan. So, good luck to that. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.